Charging an EV battery is not the same as replenishing a gasoline tank. This procedure requires a significant quantity of power to be transferred to the batteries. As a result, EV chargers are particularly constructed with several variables in mind, which are detailed more below. There are many products available to choose from for EV chargers, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. After an extensive investigation, I discovered that these products benefit people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, check my description. Let's watch the video without further ado. Number 1, ChargePoint EV Charger. ChargePoint Home Flex is the best option for quick, simple, and efficient EV charging at home. It can charge your automobile up to 9 times faster, saving you time waiting for it to be ready to go. This means you may increase your EV's range by up to 37 miles per hour, ensuring it's always ready to go when you need it. The adaptability of ChargePoint Home Flex is what distinguishes it. ChargePoint Home Flex is compatible with all electric vehicles, so no matter what make or model you have, you can use it to charge your vehicle at home. It's essentially a one-size-fits-all solution for all electric vehicle owners. Furthermore, whether you want it indoors or outside, installation is simple. The ChargePoint app is really simple to use. You can operate your vehicle charger from your phone and even receive polite reminders to plug in your car. You can make things even easier by speaking to Alexa. Simply instruct Alexa to handle your charges, and she will listen and do what you request. It's like having a nice assistant for your electric vehicle. Number 2, Mastart EV Charger. The Mastart Level 2 EV Charger is the solution for quick, dependable, and hassle-free electric car charging at home. It charges 2.5 times quicker than standard chargers, so you won't have to wait long to get back on the road. If you have the proper adapter, this will work with any electric vehicle, even Teslas. It is strong and safe, with certificates to back it up, so you can be confident that it is constructed to last and meet safety regulations. The charger is simple to set up. It's tiny and simple to use, so you can have it ready to charge your car in your garage or driveway in a matter of minutes. There are no specialist skills or tools necessary to make it accessible to anyone. Having a charger ensures that your electric vehicle is always ready to go. No more wondering if it's charged and ready to go. Number 3, JuiceBox EV Charger. The JuiceBox 40 Smart EV Charger is the best option for charging current electric vehicles. It is quick, simple to use, and inexpensive. It charges your electric vehicle up to 7 times quicker than standard chargers, allowing you to spend less time waiting and more time driving. With the charger, you can conveniently manage your charging. Simply use the JuiceNet app on your phone to connect to Wi-Fi. It's like having a vehicle charging station at your fingertips. You can control when your car charges, monitor it from a distance and receive an alert when it is finished charging. It allows you to charge when power is less expensive, such as at night, which can help you save money on your electric bill. It's similar to a smart technique to regulate your energy use. There is no need for complicated installation procedures or expert help. This works with all sorts of electric vehicles, including Teslas. So, no matter what electric car you have now or may acquire in the future, this charger will work. It's like having a charger ready for whichever electric vehicle you select. Number 4, Wallbox EV Charger. The Wallbox Pulsar Plus is a Level 2 EV charger that combines efficiency and creativity. It charges your electric car 8 times quicker than standard chargers, providing about 30 miles of driving for only an hour of charging. This allows you to charge your electric car while sleeping and start each day with a full battery. It allows you to choose how rapidly you want to charge your automobile dependent on the capacity of your home's electrical supply. It's all about offering you choices and power. This versatility provides a smooth fit into a variety of situations and electrical configurations. Even while you're not at home, you can manage and monitor it using your phone and the Mailbox app. It's like having a charger with a remote. The option to customize charging schedules not only improves convenience but also helps users save money on their energy costs. Installation is simple, aided by its user-friendly design that allows for quick integration by a professional electrician. Number 5, Vever EV Charger. Vever is a portable EV charger with smart app control that is part of the domain of electric vehicle, EV, charging options. This smart charger makes it simple to charge your electric vehicle. It's like having the ideal combination of smart technology and making things simple for you. Charging has never been easier or more handy. You may start or stop your electric car's charging with a simple app on your phone, and you can schedule when it should charge. It's similar to having a remote for your car charger. This increases usability and puts control directly in the hands of the user. The charger's cable is lengthy, 28 feet, allowing you to plug in and charge your electric car even if the nearest power outlet is some distance away. It's the equivalent of having a lengthy extension wire for your car charger. This versatility accommodates varied charging conditions, meeting the demands of a wide range of users. This charger prioritizes safety. It's like having a swarm of guardians protecting your automobile as it charges. They keep an eye out for things like too much and too little power, as well as lightning. These measures assure not only the user's safety but also the charger's durability. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.